about parent and child picklist, they can ask you, do you know what is cascading picklist? Okay, so you know how to create a regular picklist, but this picklist is little different and advanced, where it will have a dependency on another field. Okay, so any clarifications with the previous topics? No. Okay, fine. Is say you have this hobby, which is a one of the picklist we created, saying that playing cricket and swimming. So we have created two picklist values, playing cricket and swimming. Now you want one more field here, a new one. Okay. When you select here cricket, okay, it has to show three values. Okay, beginner, okay, moderate, expert. Three levels it has to come. So three levels means they want to understand whether if your hobby is cricket, whether you are very expert in this cricket hobby, or like this similarly swimming. If you are having you're a beginner, you're a moderate, or an expert person in swimming. Okay, so they want to have the values here. If it is cricket, you will have these three values, and swimming also you will have these three values. Okay, but another way, say if you're a cricket, say you want to know in cricket whether you are a bowler or a batsman. If it is a swimming, whether you know swimming at like pool level or some tournament level and all. So similarly, they want to know whether you are an expert or a beginner for this particular hobby. And this field which we are creating now, a new field, it should detect whether this particular dependency, say this is a parent and this is a child. This parent values, if I select cricket, then I should get only related to cricket. Example, I'm a bowler or a batsman. But when I select here as swimming, I should not get bowler or a batsman, right? Am I correct or not? So similarly, if I select here swimming, I should get here saying that it's like selected for state level or uh, maybe country level swimming competition or something like that they want to detect. So in this case, this is called parent field and the other one is called child field. And based on this value, that particular field value will be having dependency. Okay. Say for example, how to tell you in other words is, say this one is country. Okay, this field is country and this one is USA and this one is India. If you select here USA, then this one states should show only the fields which are related to USA, right? New York, New Jersey, and all the states. So similarly, if you select here India, so the values here should show India related states, right? For example, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and all. So based on this selection, the other field values will be having filtered. So this type of functionality is called parent and child pick list or cascading pick list. Understood? It means parent and child pick list cascading pick list functionality will work if there are two fields which has dependency on both. Okay, so hope you understood. Otherwise, if you want, I'll take another field as an example. Say, for example, marital status. If marital status field is there, if you click on married, then only I should get a date here saying that married from date. Otherwise, I should not get a date for a single, right? Single, if I select, I should not get a single related date. Okay, so similarly, take this one as an example: playing cricket and swimming. Now company wants to see the expertise in this. So if it is a playing cricket, it should get bowler or a batsman. Swimming level, it should show state level or a country level. Okay, so in this case, we will do one thing. We will create one more field here, which it comes like expertise field, and based on these selections, the value will differ here. Okay. So hope everybody are aligned with the requirement, right? Hope you got to know what is our requirement. In the this functionality is called parent and child picklist or cascading picklist. We will create that one and we will also test that whether it is working. Okay. So first of all, to do this one, so we already have the hobby field. Okay, and we have to create now expertise field. So to create expertise field, say for example, I went to country, sorry, employee level. Okay, I also enable the custom string too. If I enable here, then only, though it is available in the field, it will be visible here. Okay, let's see whether it is showing or not. Refresh. If it is not showing, we have to do some security related thing. But if it is showing, well and good. We don't require to go in depth. Okay, so this is hobby and it is showing now the new field. Now we will be renaming this one to expertise. So what are the steps to rename here? Can anyone tell? Okay, fine. If no one interested, then this is a pet name. This is what I want to rename to expertise. Expertise. Okay. So first of all, it got renamed to expertise. Ensure this is saved. Once this is saved, refresh the page. So it shows expertise here. Okay, expertise. Now I'm converting this one to a drop down value, which is if here it is a cricket, then I should get here drop down like bowler or a batsman. And here, if it is swimming, it should come like moderate or low level or expertise level or country level, state level, whatever you want the options, I'll bring it here. Okay. So now to do that one, I go to Picklist Center to create Picklist for sorry expertise. So let's create a new Picklist for expertise. So Picklist Center, go here, follow same steps, expertise, no spaces. Okay, and this one also I'll put 1900. Save. Okay, so my code value is generated is expertise. In this, I have to put four values. What are the four values here? One is bowler, next one is batsman, third one is for swimming I have to put right, moderate, Fourth one is expert. Now you understood, right? What I'm trying to do. So for the two values, one is for playing cricket. These two are relevant, bowler and batsman. And for swimming, swimming, it's moderate and expert. So whenever they select here based on that thing, this value should show only related to these selections. Cricket means it should show bowler and batsman. It should not show moderate or expertise. If I select here swimming, it will show only moderate and expertise. It will not show bowler or a batsman. That is what is the requirement. Now for this one, like as usual, we have created the pick list, right? Expertise. Now we can assign this pick list value here in the expertise field. Type of reference object pick list, and pick list value is expertise. So go to drop down and find out where is expertise. Okay, what is the pick list ID here? Expertise, right? Then the same thing it will show here. If it is not showing on the top, go down. There is one more alphabetical order. Okay, maybe maybe that's one more reason. So once you finish your changes, okay, cancel, don't save. Just refresh the page because I have created the pick list in this page, right? It has to sync to this page. So anything if it has to sync to this page, uh, you have to just do a refresh. Go to personal info, take action, make correction, go to expertise, details, pick list, this one, expertise, assign this. Finished, save. So here also I told you how to create a new pick list, how to assign a new pick list to a new field. Okay. How to assign a new pick list to a field. So now assignment is done. Let it save. Cancel. So once it is saved, ensure that it has those details. Go to personal info, details. So it is not updated. Click on take action, make correction. Go to expertise, details, type of reference object, pick list. Pick list is expertise. This one. Finished. Save. So it is saved now. Just cross checking. Pick list and pick list. So now come here, front end, do the testing. Whether the custom field has assignment of pick list values. So go here, personal information, edit, select the date. Okay. So it's showing all the four: batsman, bowler, expert, and moderate. Okay. For playing cricket, swimming. Now my requirement here is if I select here playing cricket, then here I should get only batsman and bowler. I should not get expert or moderate. Expert or moderate is for swimming. If I select swimming here, I should not get bowler or batsman. This is what my client requirement. Okay, and this is a real-time requirement. If there is anything, they'll ask us to do this type of scenarios. So for this one, what you have to do is you have to first treat this one as a parent and this one as a child. Okay, and this functionality is also called as cascading pick list. So for this functionality, you have to go to child pick list. So what is our child pick list? It's expertise. This one, correct, right? So now I'm in the child pick list. In the child pick list, there is one option called parent pick list. So here you have to edit and tell to the system the parent field is hobbies. This one. Clear? Understood? Okay. So if you link like this, then it will understand, okay, I'm expertise, but I have to follow my parent, which is hobbies. Then here, these are the expertise related values. On the right hand side, you will find parent pick list value, and you have to tell, click on this uh, system, and you have to tell here parent pick list value. This bowler has to come for cricket, playing cricket. Say this batsman, cricket, and this moderate is for swimming. And this expert also is for swimming. Say. So any doubts here? This is very important in terms of interview and exam. So if they ask you, do you know how to create a cascading pick list? You can say that yes, I have a real-time scenario. I got one of the requirement for employee class and employee type. In employee class, if employee is a permanent employee, then in the employee type, it should be like regular employee or intern employee. If it is a contract employee, whether then other field should have it's a 6 months contract or a 1 year contract. So like this, they will ask the requirement. So here, say for example, this is a regular employee and this is a contract employee, and this should show only the fields. If he selects here regular, then it should show here whether he is a regular permanent employee and an internship employee. If he selects here contractor, here it should show it's a 6 months contract or a 1 year contract, like this. So similarly, we took another example which is hobbies, and we did this one, and this is how we do that setup in the picklist values. Any doubts here? We finished our configuration. After, if you don't have any doubts, we'll go for testing. Okay, I'll take silence as no doubts. Okay, refresh the page here. Okay, sorry, there's one more last step which I have to show you. So once you do here the pick list assignment, you have to go to the personal information page. So here we have hobby, and here you have the expertise. So you have to go to the child one and tell here the parent is custom string 1. Why custom string 1? See, hobby is custom string 1. So that one only I have told you use parent field for pick list as custom string 1. This is the final step. Finished, saved. So after this setup, that field will only obey whatever the parent says. Otherwise, it will not work only. Okay, let's see the testing. Refresh the page. Okay, go to personal info, edit that. See here, if I'm trying to enter here like bowler, batsman initially, it will not allow. This got grayed off. It will not enable until this parent value is selected. Okay, now if I select here as swimming, or if I select here as cricket, okay, then only this will be enabled, and it shows only values related to cricket, batsman and bowler. It will not show moderate and expert. When it will show moderate and expert is if hobbies are selected as swimming, then it shows moderate or expert. This functionality is called parent and child pick list or a cascading pick list. Understood? Yeah. So this piece of configuration is very important, and you have to tell the same steps how we followed. You have to first create a parent pick list, playing cricket and swimming. You assign that one to hobbies, and later you create another pick list which is expertise, and you create all the four values and assign that one to the expertise related field. Okay, and once these are done, the cascading pick list, you have to go to child and edit that one and enter the parent picklist id, so that this will be enabled. And you have to tell to the system bowlers should come when, batsman should come when, and moderate should come when, and expert should come when. Once you do this setup, you have to go to the manage business configuration, go to child field, and tell the system this is your parent. Okay, so this custom string one is hobby. Hobby is your parent for expertise. Then this functionality will work as I'm showing here. So is that clear?
In expertise, we need to keep it as a parent picklist, sir.
Yeah, because this is parent and this is child, right? So in this
Yes.
case, in the child, we have to tell the parent is this one here in the picklist value. Okay. So then this particular column will be enabled, and you have to give each and every value relevant to it. Okay. Then this is how it works. And if you don't select anything, this will not work. Okay, that is how the setup is like that in the backend. Okay, with this you can use it for anything. I told you, no? Say this is country, and here top down showing India and USA. You select India, then it shows India related states only. If you select here USA, then it shows USA related states. Okay, fine. So if no doubts, I'll go with the next topic. So any doubts? No doubts. So like this, you have to go to the system and see which field belongs to which portlet. Okay, because we have many portlets here: address related information, national ID information, bank account related information. So if I tell you where is employee class field, you should be able to go quickly to that particular portlet and show it in the here. Okay, so for example, employee class field, it shows here like this. Because in the screen sharing with the client, you should not, if they tell you something, you should not go and search that time where is that field, whatever client is saying. Because you have many portlets here, you have organization, job information, job description, everything. So you will get to know if you invest some time on this one to see where is that field. For example, date of birth field. So you should not go to each and every portlet and search where is date of birth field. Straight away you should know in your mind that date of birth field is in biographical information. So that quickly if you go, then they will think, okay, you're like experienced. Okay, if you keep searching for one by one, that field will not be visible anywhere else. It will be only visible in this portlet. Okay, similarly address information. Go to address portlet. Bank account details. Listen. Okay, like that. Job information, comp information, everything. So just invest some time on seeing the system details. So is that clear? Okay. Now coming back to this, so I'm just showing. So these are also called as HRIS elements. In this, you can also build the different languages. Say for example, hobbies is there. So hobby, you have different languages here in Chinese, in Japanese, in Russian, Spanish, German, French. So what all these means? These are called translations. Like WhatsApp we use in different languages, Facebook we use in different languages. So our parents and all them might use WhatsApp in Telugu, Tamil, okay, Hindi, all these languages. So similarly, say that you want to use this system, success factors in Saudi Arabia, they use it in Arabic because they want to see the system in Arabic language. In this case, you can maintain that word. For example, this one is marital status field. In English, it shows marital status, but the same thing in Arabic you want to know. Then you can bring that word here. Okay, if you put here marital status, it shows this is the word in Arabic. Just copy this one, marital status Arabic, and paste here in Arabic language. Okay, so that whenever that country related person they want to see this field in Arabic language, they can come here, switch the language, and that will show in Arabic in the front end here. Instead of English, it will show here hobby in, or sorry, marital status in Arabic language. Okay, this is called translations. So these translations, it will be at field level. Field means these fields, okay, or it can be this labels level, headings. Say for example, you're clicking on submit button, okay, the save button, submit button. So here also you can control this one. It is showing cancel, right? You want to rename this one as do not submit, okay, or you want to rename this save to submit, subm90. So that one also you can do that. So that functionality is called three-tier architecture. So before that, say that you want to switch this system into different languages, you can go to this profile settings, change language, okay, say Arabic, switch. So the entire system shows in Arabic language, okay. And if you type any employee, okay, you will get that employee details in Arabic language. So all these also it will be in Arabic language. Okay, again you want to switch back to English, go here settings, okay, select the language to English US. This is how the language packs can be used to change the language in different to change the screen in different languages. Okay, now how to enable these languages? So we have one page called Manage Languages here. So here you will have all the list of languages here, whatever it's enabled at the moment, but it supports more than 50 languages. But here, if you are seeing, it shows only say 20 languages approximately. You want one more language here. Okay, which one you want? For example, it is Chinese is there, Japanese is there, Spanish is there. Okay, Spanish also is there. Okay, or say that you want to remove one of the language, or you want to add one more language. Then go to this option called manage list. Now client asked you that they want one more language to be enabled. So in this, I want to enable one language which is Turkish. Okay, so just click on this checkbox Turkish so that this language gets enabled. Okay, Turkish. If you go here, go to settings, change language, it will show Turkish language. Okay, and if you switch the system, all the system changes to Turkish language. Similarly, you want to deactivate. Again, come here, manage list, uncheck this, save. Come here to the settings, Turkish is already enabled. Now I have disabled there. Refresh the page, it will get disabled. So I was in Turkish language. No, right? Okay. So that is how you can enable and disable the language. Okay. So once you have option to enable and disable the language, here also the same languages will be visible here. Okay. Now say in Arabic language, the marital status field is showing. Okay, go to Arabic language, switch. Okay, you search some employee. Say this employee is searched. Okay, and the system shows for this employee in Arabic language. Okay, all this shows in Arabic language. Okay, and in this case, this last name is there. It is showing in English, or middle name is there. It is showing English. Remaining first name, okay, last name, gender, some details are showing correctly in Arabic. Now, how to correct these three names also in Arabic language? Otherwise, if you take our hobby and pet name or whatever the details, okay, say you want to change any of these which are showing in English, though employee have selected the system to look in Arabic language, it is still showing in English means take this word, go to translation, it will translate, copy this one, go to manage business configuration, find out where is last name. So we are doing for last name only, right? Last name. Go to manage business configuration, last name. Where is Arabic? Here. Paste it here. Finish. Save it. Once this is saved, we can refresh the page there and you will see the change in Arabic. See here, showing last name in English. Now, if you refresh the page, okay, it gets changed to Arabic. Okay, so this type of requirements also will come to us saying that to change the remaining field names which are there showing in English, change it to Arabic, as our employees are not okay with English, so they want to see the system in Arabic language. So this is how you have to do. You have to go to manage business configuration, find out that field, and ensure that Arabic is maintained in that particular field. Okay, so understood? Any doubts? No doubts? Actually, I think this batch, feel free to ask any doubts. The more doubts you ask, it's better for everyone that they can learn something. Okay. So this is one way where you can change the field in different languages. So we are already 11:30 now. If no doubts, we can end the session today, and tomorrow we'll continue more on renaming this one. This home is there, so instead of that, we want to rename to a different one. To rename this heading, instead of quick actions, they want to rename to different heading. We can rename that one. So here we are seeing settings. Instead of settings, you want to rename that one to a different thing. Yes, you can do anything. Yeah, any doubts?